What does synthetic mean? The term synthetic refers to something that is made or produced by human beings through chemical or artificial means, as opposed to being naturally occurring. Synthetic materials or substances are created through chemical synthesis or manufacturing processes rather than being found in nature. Synthetic materials are often developed to mimic or replace natural materials or to achieve specific properties or characteristics that natural materials may not possess. Examples of synthetic materials include synthetic fibers, such as polyester or nylon, synthetic rubber, synthetic plastics, and synthetic dyes. In the context of chemistry, synthetic refers to the creation of compounds or substances by combining simpler or existing chemicals through chemical reactions. Synthetic chemistry involves the design and synthesis of new molecules or materials that do not occur naturally. The use of synthetic materials and chemicals has greatly impacted various industries, including textiles, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and agriculture. Synthetic substances can offer advantages such as increased durability, specific performance characteristics, versatility, and cost-effectiveness compared to their natural counterparts. However, it's important to note that not all synthetic materials or chemicals are inherently harmful or inferior to natural substances. The safety and environmental impact of synthetic materials depend on various factors, including their composition, production methods, use, and disposal. Evaluating the benefits and potential risks associated with synthetic materials requires careful consideration and scientific assessment.